So the ganache is melted, the chocolate is melted. It's time to put it on top of the caramel and the shortbread crust. That's probably plenty there. Push it down in there. It'll settle on its own. And as it cools, it will solidify. Wow. Nice and thick. You can even turn these into a birthday cake. Put a couple of candles in there. Why not? Alright. I had somebody tell me the chocolate was too thick. So, boy, that's a great problem. Anyway, we almost got this done. That was a while ago, somebody said. So, that's it. We'll focus a little more on here. Get closer. I don't want to tilt this too much. And you just let that sit. If it's too warm to put in the fridge, just let it sit out. These can even sit out overnight. Nothing wrong with it. Alright folks, thanks for watching. The dark chocolate, salted caramel, shortbread crust tart. Great for the holidays, great for a birthday, great for Independence Day. I'll be posting some more videos on some food prep sometime, I don't know, let me get focused. Sometime in the near future I'm going to be doing a vegetable and chicken soup this week, so I don't know when I'll get that video up, probably pretty soon. We'll be doing many more recipes as the months go. As it gets warmer, I'll be out doing some more metal detecting. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you like the food and share it with all your friends and family. See you next time.